Hey YouTube, I'm back with another DIY video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beach in a jar in a really cool geometric canvas.
The first DIY I'm going to be showing you is how to make a beach in a jar. All you'll need is a bowl or a jar, shells, and sand of your choice. The first step is just to pour your sand into the jar. You can pour as much or as little sand as you like. I'm just filling it like this. And then you just add however many shells you want and just make it look like a beach. And this is how it should look when it's done.
The next DIY I'm going to be showing you is a really cool geometric canvas. All that you'll need for this is painter's tape, a canvas, and different colors. The first step is to put your painter's tape on the canvas in different geometric patterns. Pause. Now that you have your painter's tape on in a geometric pattern, you want to paint all the different shapes in different beautiful colors. Once you're finished painting, it should look like this, and now you can take your tape off. If your canvas got a little messy on some of the edges, you can always touch it up with a little bit of white paint. And once you're finished, it should look something like this. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and click that notification bell if you want to know when I post new videos. Bye!